From the Chloe Bruce Academy. Welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be covering a tutorial with a bow staff and we're going to learn around the world. This tutorial is suitable for beginners. It's a very basic spin around the body. So grab a bow staff or a broom, a stick, anything you can find to learn this move. We will be going over both sides just so that you can do combinations on both sides and feel comfortable moving it around both sides of your body. But for the first part of this tutorial, if you can hold it in your right hand and then you can mirror myself watching this video. So in your right hand, and your wrist is going to be pointing up, holding the bow staff like so, and around the center mark of the bow staff. If you've not got one of these fancy center points, maybe put one in. It's a very handy tool to have. Moving forward, from there, this end of the bow staff is going to flip over and then carry on round. And then the wrist is facing away from us, like so. It's at this point you're going to switch hands. Take it into the opposite hand. So from here, both hands are together. Watch this end. It's going to go down and then up. Now my hands are going to cross and they go wrist up, okay? And the one that's grabbing the bow staff goes on top. So from here, again, the bottom end of the bow staff goes down, up, and the hand that's grabbing goes on top of the other hand and both wrists up like so. Then I can release the opposite hand and then we just back to square one. This end goes up, full rotation round, down and around to my back, okay? That's when I grab on. Now from here, watch, this end, I continue the rotation round, it goes down, up, grab. And I'm back to here. So let's break down those very simple steps. Step one, start with it in your hand, wrist facing up. This end of the bow staff, okay, facing on the outer edge of your body, is going to come up, down, and around. Now this hand has done all the work so far, and we finish here. I'm going to place the opposite hand next to the hand that's already on the bow staff. And that hand is now going to take control. So I'm going to drop this end down, bring it up, cross, and we're here. I'll just do a few really slow so you can see what I'm doing. So from here, I'm going to go up, down, round. Continue that motion. Up, cross, round, catch, round, cross, release. Now we'll just do a few on the opposite side. So again, starting in the opposite hand this time, the point on the outer edge of your body is going to go up, down, and around. Okay, and we're now wrist pointing away from us. Here, bow staff flat. The hand, opposite hand comes next to it. We're going to release the previous hand and we're going to come down, up, cross. So we're here. Both hands, wrist pointing up, and we've crossed the opposite direction this time. Okay, and we're coming round. Down, grab, release, out, cross. I'll just show you a few examples, slow on this side. Now the key to doing this correctly and to make it look really flash is to keep the bow staff as close as you can to your body. So you want to keep nice bent arms and keep the bow staff close. I know that fear gets in the way, but just have confidence and believe in yourself that you're not going to hit yourself. Obviously, you don't need to start that fast. You can build the speed up gradually, start slow, figure out the moves, where the hands are supposed to be, and then build the speed up gradually from there. If you like what you see, guys, hit like, share it with your friends, especially people that are wanting to learn the bow staff. And next week, I'm going to be doing a tutorial exactly the same. We're going to be stepping up to version number 2 with a full body spin rotation with the around the world, which will look something like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye for now.